A Dubai townhouse looks like a private home, but one of the most important questions is actually, what are you sharing? You may have your own entrance, parking, and garden while still sharing walls with neighboring homes and relying on community infrastructure around you. That makes the exact position important. An end unit can have different light, privacy, and outdoor space from a middle unit with the same floor plan. Then check the ownership boundary. Who maintains the exterior, roof, garden, and shared areas?
For an international buyer, a townhouse works best when you understand both sides of the property, what is yours to control and what depends on the community around you. Learn more at DXBTOK.com.